Ever notice those black and white squares on posters, menus, or cereal boxes? Those are QR codes, quick response codes. They were invented in 1994 in Japan to track car parts, but now they connect our physical world to the digital world instantly. Instead of typing a long website address, you just point your camera and, zap, the info appears on your screen. QR codes are everywhere because they're fast, easy, and don't require any special equipment, just your smartphone's camera. Before QR codes, we had barcodes, which could only hold a small amount of information. A QR code is like a barcode on steroids. It can store thousands of characters, from website links to contact info, even Wi-Fi passwords. That's why you see them everywhere. They're a simple, powerful upgrade for sharing information. Businesses, advertisers, and even restaurants use them to make life easier for everyone. It's technology quietly making our daily routines smoother. So, next time you see one, remember it's a tiny bridge between the real world and the digital universe. All you need is your phone to unlock it. That's the magic of QR codes. Let's break down a QR code's design. The three big squares in the corners, those are position markers. They help your phone recognize and orient the code, no matter how you scan it. There's also a smaller alignment marker, usually in the bottom right, to help straighten out the image if it's curved or distorted. The rest of the code is filled with tiny black and white squares. This is where the data lives. Each square is a bit of information, arranged in a unique pattern that represents letters, numbers, or symbols. QR codes are tough too. If part of the code is damaged or smudged, built-in error correction lets your phone reconstruct the missing info. It's like having a backup plan for your data. This clever design makes QR codes reliable, even in less than perfect conditions. So every time you scan one, you're seeing a mini masterpiece of organization and resilience. It's not just a random pattern, it's a carefully crafted map for your phone to read. That's the genius behind the Pixelated Box. How does a word or website become a QR code? It's all about binary code, the language of computers. Every letter, number, or symbol is turned into a sequence of ones and zeros. A QR code generator arranges these bits into the grid following strict rules for placement. Position and alignment markers are added first, then the data is woven in a zigzag path. Error correction bits are included to protect the information. The result? A unique pattern of black and white squares, each representing a piece of data. The more info you store, the denser the code becomes. Simple codes might be 21x21 squares. Complex ones can be much larger. It's a visual puzzle, precisely built so any QR reader can decode it. That's how your message gets inside the box. When you scan a QR code, your phone's camera looks for those three big position markers. Once found, the software isolates the code, corrects the angle, and overlays a virtual grid. It checks each tiny square, light or dark, and converts the pattern back into binary code. The software ignores the markers and focuses on the data and error correction areas. It translates the binary back into text links or contact info. Error correction ensures the data is accurate, even if the code is a bit damaged. If it's a website, your phone asks if you want to open it. If it's contact info, you can save it instantly. All of this happens in a blink, fast, seamless, and reliable. It's a high-speed dance of optics and software. That's how your phone unlocks the QR code secrets. QR codes do more than just link to websites. They can store plain text, event schedules, museum info, or even your contact details as a V-card. Scan a V-card QR code and your phone can save all the info instantly. No typos, no paper. Need Wi-Fi? Scan a code and connect without typing a password. QR codes can send emails, show maps, or even start payments. They're versatile, efficient, and make sharing information effortless. From networking to navigating, they turn static print into interactive experiences. Next time you see a QR code, remember, it's a gateway to a world of information. All it takes is a quick scan. That's the power of the Pixelated Box. Science and technology, right in your pocket.